Mike Norvell, the reset button. As Willie Taggart was fired after losing to rival Miami 27-10, the search for head coach number 3 post Bobby Bowden was on. The lucky winner, Mike Norvell. This job comes with an enormous spotlight, stress on stress on stress, extreme whitening of the hair, or hair loss. And let's not forget a running time clock. Oh yeah, you on the clock.
Kicking.
DJ Bucket Remix.
Kicking. Kicking.
Motherfucker still bad.
Willie was fired a year and a half into his career, his FSU career. With most of the FSU talking heads were saying the school couldn't fire him even if they wanted to because they were broke, they still cut him. Right after the Dade County Twister came through Tallahassee and touched down, Willie was up out of here. Leaving behind an unfinished project, he was never able to get the ball really rolling on recruiting the way we wanted him to or the way we needed, right? Why? Because we kept losing. Now, a couple of games under the belt, Mike Norvell might face the same problem. Sitting at 0-2. Can you recruit a top 5 recruiting class and lose every year? No. But that's our expectation. That's a problem, right? Mike will need some time, okay? Some time to clean up all this mess that the administration made. Not Willie, the administration. For some reason, we can't get offensive linemen around here. And that started up under Jimbo. So it's going to take some time, okay, for us to get some players. You can only teach so much. At some point, a player has to actually go out and apply these things, right? And everybody can't really go out there and just do it. So, at some point, we have to realize after, 3 coaching staffs, or at least 2 hires and 3 sets of coaching staffs, right? We have to realize maybe it is the players. Now, the last wave of Jimbo's guys are seniors and a sprinkle of juniors. Willie's guys are sophomores and a sprinkle of juniors and some freshmen, right? Mike's guys are freshmen. So it's going to take some time for him to build the roster that he wants. You know, it's simple. But I believe Mike Norvell is a good coach. I believe he can turn this around. I believe we can be elite again. But the key word, time. We got to give him time. All right, so I want to appreciate y'all for checking me out today. You know what I'm talking about? Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop another one of these joints. You know what I'm talking about? And subscribe. I am your boy, 1DB, the movement, aka One Flip Dollar. And of course, man, I always welcome y'all to the Chop Shop. Keep it chopping though, man. I'm out. Yo, check me out every Thursday night with my boy Turnt Tally, man. Live on YouTube, on his channel, Turnt Tally and Mulatto 5. I suggest you subscribe. Every Thursday night, 8 p.m., man, we going over FSU football and basketball. Keep it chopping. You know the deal. I'm out.
Every time the beat drop,